basketball talk.
Yeah.
Are you following this LeBron thing? Where
I'm not following this LeBron thing at all. I got a life. I got a life. His only move, in my opinion, is to go back to Cleveland. If he goes to Golden State or somewhere else, it'd be like he's chasing Michael Jordan, goes trying to win more championship. He don't have no affiliation with those other teams. His only affiliation where he was born was Cleveland, Ohio. So I think he should go back to Cleveland.
As we work in the Bay Area, obviously people in the Warriors arena
Yeah,
talking
man,
about
if you go to the Warriors, he'd just be chasing Michael Jordan. And let me tell you something. The only thing the Warriors, if he goes to the Warriors, all they got to worry about is do they have enough Depends, Sorbing Jr., Ben Gay with all them old-ass geezers they have on the team. So he should not go to Golden State. He should go, seriously, between Steph, Draymond, Jimmy Butler, and LeBron, they'd have to get a lot of Depends, a lot of Sorbing Jr., Ben Gay, with all those old-ass geezers on the same team. But he should go to Cleveland where he grew up, and it'd be a great way to finish the story.
At the same time, though, at 41 years old, is it amazing that he's still able to play at a high level?
He's playing at a high level. He's amazing. I love LeBron, but he should do the right thing and go back to Cleveland.
And the last thing I wanted to ask you is when you look at the Warriors, last year you said the Warriors were too old.
They are too old. They're only going to be older. They were too old last year, and they're only going to be older. And older people don't do but one thing, they die. Old people don't get healthy, old people die. So, yeah, they're just a bunch of old geezers now. They've had a great run. It's over.
Yeah. Any message you want to give the Dub Nation?
Dub Nation, y'all had a good run. It's over. Y'all had a good run. It's over.
All right, Charles. Thanks for your time, brother.
Sure.